Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channels. Continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series. Here I came up with the 55th question written on the screen. Let ax be in arithmetic progression, ay be in the geometric progression, az be in the harmonic progression, x is equal to y plus 2, a is equal to z 5 times of z. Then they are asking relationship. Some options are given, we would have to satisfy which one would be going right over here. So guys, we do know if a, x, b are in arithmetic progression, twice the middle term is equal to first term plus last term it would be, that is twice x is equal to a plus b it will be. And if a by b are in geometric progression, we may write y square is equal to a times of b it will be. And if a z b are in harmonic progression, we may write z is equal to 2ab divided by a plus b it will be. Now we do know the value of a plus b, we do know the value of ab. We do know the value of a plus b as 2 multiplied by x over here. And we do know the value of ab as y square over here, 2y square and 2x, so 2 and 2 will be gone. So we'll be writing y square is equal to z multiplied by x will be achieved by us. That means option number 1 is right. Option A is the right option. Now guys, since A, B, C are in, like, this is an arithmetic progression, this is a geometric progression, this is a harmonic progression, and we do know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. And when equality will be holding over here, when numbers are equal, that means a and b are equal, but a and b are not equal, so we'll be writing what? Arithmetic mean will be greater than geometric mean will be greater than harmonic mean. So x will be the arithmetic mean of a and b, that is a plus b by 2. Y will be the geometric mean of a and b, that is root ab it will be. And z will be the harmonic mean of a and b, that is 2ab upon a plus b. So we'll be going to get what? X is greater than y is greater than z over here. So even option B will be the right answer for this question. Now let's move on to the third part. Either this would be holding good or it would be holding good, because they are showing the value of a and b. So a set of value of a and b will be going right over here, not both the values. Let us assume this is our first expression, this is our second expression, and this is our third expression. And we have one expression given to us in the question, that is z is equal to y plus 2, that is our fourth expression, let us assume. And a is equal to 5 times of z, that is our fifth expression, let us assume. So we'll be writing what? Z is equal to 2 times of 5 times of z divided by b divided by 5 times of z plus b. So here we may directly cancel z, but cancelling z directly, yeah, we may write that z is not equal to 0. Okay, z is not 0, we may cancel it directly, or z is equal to 0 is the solution, but it is not possible, so that's why I am writing it, it's not 0. Now proceeding further, we have the value of, we are achieving 5z plus b is equal to 2b over here, or we may write 5z is equal to b it will be. I got the relationship between 5z and b. Now my dear students, I can see one thing, a is equal to 5z was given to you, and I got the value of 5z as b. That means what? A is equal to b it will be becoming or not? Let's see. No, it is not becoming like that. It was like 10 over here, na? 10b it was. So we'll be writing 5z plus b is equal to 10b over here, or 5z is equal to 9 times of b it will be. Now guys, this is, let us suppose, our sixth expression. From fifth and sixth, what can be written by me? 5z is equal to 5z, that means 9b is equal to 8 will be. And if two numbers are equal, let us assume they are equal to 9 times of k over here. So what we can see, the value of a will be 9k and the value of b will be k over here. Guys, do we have relationship between x and y? Yeah, we have. X plus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. So let us assume this is the 7th relation I got. From 7th and 4th relation I may write, from 4th and 7th relation I may write x is equal to y plus 2 was given to us. That means, guys, a and b I want. Okay, we are getting x and y, and we have the value of x and y written over here. So I would be getting what? A plus b by 2 and root ab. So let's write it completely. X is a plus b by 2 and y is root ab plus 2 it will be becoming. Plus 2 it will be becoming. From here I came up here. Okay. And we do know that x is equal, a is equal to 9k and b is equal to k over here. So what will be becoming? 10k by 2 is equal to square root of 9k square plus 2 will be achieved by us. That means what? 5k minus 3k is equal to 2. That means k is equal to 1. As soon as I got the value of k as 1 over here, the value of a will be becoming 9 and the value of b will be becoming 1. So let's see if there is any option with a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1. Yeah, right. So option C will be even the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.